Been called to Parliament before to defend so-called Turkish investors who don't even have a bank account, and they are just operating around with senior politicians and saying they're investors.
A fresh war on money laundering. While corruption is regarded as the key player, Matiangi has noted that there is much more Kenyans need to battle in combating money laundering.
I have been fighting people called second-hand motor vehicle dealers. Now, 2/3 of them don't have permits, but they are operating because they have paid some of your people and they bribe them every day.
According to Matiangi, most of the active players in money laundering are holding public offices while calling for cooperation in safeguarding financial institutions.
All of you Kenyans who have been moving around the villages, you have seen people who are carrying money in bags, lining up citizens, giving them 200 bobs. The bankers in the room, you understand now you have a shortage of 200 shilling notes in your banks.
The Director of Public Prosecutions, Nurdin Haji, who was in the company of Matiangi during the launch of National Risk Assessment on Money Laundering and Terrorism Financing, has assured their commitment as prosecutors in identifying the high-risk areas in combating money laundering.
I want to assure both the DGFRC, the IG, and the CS of our commitment as prosecutors in ensuring the recommendations of the assessments are received and delivered as per the recommendations.
By being East Africa's financial hub, Kenya remains vulnerable to money laundering and terror financing across its formal and informal channels by way of corruption, cybercrime, wildlife trafficking and smuggling of illicit drugs. According to Matiangi, most vices in society today are fueled by money laundering, and he has urged all Kenyans to face and stand with courage in defending our financial environment. Majibu Kitsao, K24 TV, Nairobi.